Do you want to know how to on and off app notifications on the Samsung phone? Hey there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to on and off app notifications on a Samsung phone. So let's get started. There are two ways of turning on or off the notification on Samsung. You can either press and hold any app that you want to turn on or off the notification on Samsung. Tap icon from here. Now you can select the notification settings from here, or you can go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit, tap on notifications, now tap on app notifications, scroll down. From here, you can turn on or off any app notification like Facebook, Chrome, etc. That's it guys, hope you find this video useful. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.